Hey guys, how you doing? Justin. Say, I said I was going to be doing this a couple weeks ago or whenever in the heck I did the video. So I got the little UPS here. I moved into this house about 4 months ago, and as I was unloading the truck, it was kind of wet, kind of cold. It slipped out of my hand. It took a hell of a tumble. It's got a good dent. I'm going to have to fix that, and I can't get the front cover off, but I can fix that. It's just a little unbending that needs to be done. So for this job, I'm just kind of taking some tape. Let me get another piece here. Just trying to get everything kind of held together where it needs to be. Look at that, it kind of works. I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of flux on these guys here just to see if it can help me solder it a bit. This is a ribbon cable. And I tell you, it is not fun. I'm actually just pulling the battery out here. Unscrew this little fusible link. You can see it. If you look right inside the UPS, sorry I can't move the camera, I got it bolted up there right now. Okay, I got that disconnected, so now I don't have to worry about shorting anything out here or doing anything stupid, because there's basically 2 car batteries inside this guy here. Alright, I know it's not the most scientific way to do it, but yeah, what do you do? I went out today and got a new soldering iron so I could do this tonight. Gotta get a little solder here. Let her get a little warm here. Ta-da. Whoops, that one popped. Get it pushed back down there. Boy, this is not going too well. Not at all. Solder lick here. See if I can do it with something a little smaller, huh? Good old Radio Shack. Got that right before they closed down. Not quite warm yet. Gotta be a way to get that down. And you always gotta be careful with is burning yourself. Now, I'm not a professional solderer, but I play one on TV. It really kind of comes down to just getting a little bit of experience on it. It's not terrible. Sorry, I'm going on like 3 weeks of this cold here, so. Yeah, don't laugh, but now I gotta change out this damn tip because this one's junk. And she's warm. I'll give you that. Do 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 do. Mm-hmm. So, how'd you get burnt? They don't find you handsome. At least they find you handy, right? Got a dead short between these two and these two. Should be fairly easy to fix though. Okay, oops. And caught in 4K HD Ultra, you get to see me burning my cable. My bridge to Terabithia cleaned up here. Jeez. Man. Get it a little warm or what? Okay. It's now become a rescue mission. Alright, so we got it mostly cleaned up here. What kind of music you guys like? Pretty good mess, guys. Don't try this at home. Or do. I mean, it's already broke, so not going to really shit the bed if I have to throw it away. I got to throw it away. But if I could save it, man, I'd rather save it. Because this thing will run... it would run my old server, which was the R710, I'm sorry, the R410 and R510 Power Edge for about 45 minutes, which is pretty damn good for pretty much a free, to me. I'm an IT guy, so I get a lot of like hand-me-down garbage handed back to me. I like it. Cutting it short tonight, though. Let's see, where is my... There we go. You gotta make sure you breathe it in, too. Well, don't, but if somebody's got to tell you that, it's about as stupid as the damn Tide Pods. Can you believe that? God, it's so dumb. Who in the hell would eat or swallow a Tide Pod? I mean, I'm not very old, but God, I never do anything that stupid. Oops. Huh. I didn't get the one thing I was trying to solder. Every tool's a hammer, right? Not quite sure how this is going to turn out, but God, if it works, it's going to be great. Now, looks like these two might be touching. And if they aren't, if they weren't, they sure as hell are now. I know you guys are going to shudder, but like I said, it's broke. If it works, it works. If it don't, man, I'll grow old and die before this gets done. If you guys don't know what this is, it's just solder wick. It just kind of helps you suck up some nasty solder. Mm-hmm. I'm just batting zero today, guys. Much better. No, I didn't burn myself. I'm going to pause it for a sec. Well, I'll just take her to work and toss her in the pile, I guess. That looks good. She might be good, guys. Try and clean some of this up a little bit. Seems like you do that, you just cause more chaos. Fuck. I mean, shoot. Gosh darn it. Wish I had a wet sponge. Should we see if we broke it? Just keep a little solder on there. Alright. Let me just give it another once over quick. We'll see what happens if I plug it in. Well, just needs something small here. Well, this might work. Tell you what, it's looking good. It's just a little centering here I want to do. Then I gotta figure out a way to hook that battery back up so we can test it. But holy crap. And Daddy's got a new UPS. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Alright guys, I was actually going to leave it at that and, you know, yay, it's fixed, it's working, but I'm just a little worried that this might short out. So, after I shut the camera off, I hooked up that little fusible link in there again, and so now it's back up to pseudo higher voltage here. So mainly this is just to see if my wife is watching my channel, but I just went over and stole some of her nail polish, and it's the good stuff, I guess. So hopefully it just helps with anything touching these. It didn't have anything on it before, and these aren't horrible, but better to be safe than sorry. I'd rather not short out my house or cause a fire or something like that. But alright guys, I'll see you next time.